letters that sound the same. There are a few letters in the Hebrew alphabet that look different but sound the same. The first set is the Tav, at least if you're following modern Hebrew pronunciation, with or without the Dagesh Lene, and the Tate. And these are all pronounced T, as in our English T. So the Tav and the Tate, pronounced T. Another pair is the Sin. Remember, if the dot is on this side, it's Sin. If it's on this side, it's Sheen, pronounced Sh. So the Sin and the Samech, they are both pronounced like our English S, S. The third pair is the Kaf with the Dagesh and the Kof. And these are both pronounced like the hard C, K, as in our English K. There are two other letters that sound similar. In practice, they're usually pronounced the same by most students of Hebrew, I suspect. One pair is the Kaf without the Dagesh and the Chet. Most books will tell you to pronounce these as the Ch in Loch or Bach, this sort of German-sounding Ch. In reality, I suppose this is not really the same as this. This is more Ch, and this is Ch. I can't maintain that distinction in reading Hebrew, though. It's too difficult for me personally. The other set that you could say sound the same, or at least similar, is the Aleph and the Ayin. And for all practical purposes, they're simply silent. The Aleph is like the H in air. There's this initial stoppage of breath, air. And Ayin is a little bit deeper in the throat, Ayin. Again, I can't maintain that distinction. For most of my Hebrew reading, they're simply silent letters. So, to recap, we have Tav and Tate, pronounced T. We have Sin and Samech, pronounced like the S. We have Kaf with the Dagesh and Kof, pronounced K. We have Kaf without the Dagesh and Chet, both pronounced Ch. And we have Ayin, Aleph and Ayin, which are pronounced as silent letters.